Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can update your Opera GX web browser to the most recently released version. So let's get started right away now, shall we? So updating your web browser, for instance, the Opera GX web browser, may help you solve issues or fix issues like performance issues if the given web browser hasn't been performing properly lately. In some cases, getting the latest version of the given web browser may solve the bug or issue. So what you want to do, guys, here on the Opera GX web browser start page is click on that icon in the very top left corner, Customize and Control Opera, and select Update and Recovery from that drop-down menu here. This is going to open up that window or a new tab for you where Opera GX will automatically search for the newest released version and for the newest released updates automatically. You may also click on check for update here to search for these manually. And if there is or if there are any updates, Opera GX will ask you or give you the opportunity to download them and to install them. And if you're using the already newest version of Opera GX, you will see that notification Opera is up to date, showing you the latest version and the last check date, which is Wednesday, February 5th, so which was yesterday. So basically, guys, that's it. That's how you update Opera GX. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.